Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up and create a new account on the XTrend Speed Trading App. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the XTrend application on your smartphone. And once you are taken into the home page, if you haven't already signed up or logged in, you will see the Open Account button. You can also tap on the Me button at the bottom right corner where you will see Login. If you tap on this, you will now be taken into the sign up or login page. Now you can use your email address or your phone number, as well as your Google, Facebook, or Apple ID. Proceed with either one of these options. And if you choose your email or phone, you just need to enter the email address or phone number, followed by your desired password for your account. After entering both of these, you can tap on the sign up button, and now you will be asked to fill up your personal information. You can skip this right now by tapping on the skip button and do this later as well. You will then be taken into the deposit page, where you can make your deposit into your account. You may also skip this right now, and you will be taken into your account right away. Now, you may not get a notification, but you will still need to verify your account. To do this, open up the inbox of your registered email address, and you will find an email from XTrend, which has the Verify Email button. Just tap on this button, and now your email has successfully been verified. You can now start trading with your XTrend Speed Trading account right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on the XTrend Speed Trading app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.